So good morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So yesterday question number 3 was given as a homework and we are supposed to discuss this homework right now. Okay, is everybody ready? So first you have to write the given terms. These three terms are given, you have to calculate the value for n. And of course we know this formula. First you have to write the given portions, okay? That a equals 5, d equals 3, an equals 50. Clear? And then an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, yes or no? Can you tell the value for n from here after substituting all this? And then Sn's formula will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now can anybody write the answer for n if you have done it in the chat box? Larry Samojit has answered it's 16. How many else have got n as 16? Go on to calculate the value for Sn now. Sn will become S16, 16 by 2, 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into d is R3. Go on to tell me the value for S16 now. Hurry up. S16, S, you will not write out here n, okay? Samujit, you will not write n, you write S16 is equals to 440, clear? Sn is for nth term and we don't have to calculate for nth term, our n is equals to 60. After having substituted 60, you will get S16, not Sn. Clear? Now did everybody get this answer, yes or no, confirm? If you haven't got the answer, here's the solution right here, kindly copy it down and note if you have made any mistake in your working method. I hope it's clear to everyone. Kindly confirm yes or no. Confirm yes or no. Okay then. Next one. Yep. A is given and A13 is given. You have to calculate the value for D. Tell me the value for D, everyone. You have to use again this formula. Type the value for D. I need the value for D from here. Again you have to use this formula, put n is equals to 13, put a is equals to 7 and an is equals to 35. Only one missing quantity out there is a, it's D. Tell me the value for D. Only Shomojit has answered, rest of you haven't got the answer. Shomojit has answered very correctly, it's 2.33. D is equal to 2.33. Similarly, go on to calculate the value for S12 now. S13 you have to calculate. S13 needs to be calculated, 13 by 2 a plus an. Okay, now this an, don't get confused, you can either write it L or you can write it an. It's basically the last number of the series. Clear? Over here the last number of the series has been given to us as 35. Clear? Now did everybody get the answer as 273? Kindly confirm yes or no. Those who haven't got the answer, kindly copy it down. Those who haven't got the answer, kindly copy it down and try and attempt the third numerical. People who are done with the second one. Over here n is equals to 12, an is equals to 37, d is equals to 3, and you have to calculate the value for a as well as the value for S12. Okay, I'm pausing the video. Go on to calculate the values fast. Now, people who are done with the third one have already written the answer. Anantajit, Shomojit, Lahiri, these three students have already written the answer. Rest of you, are you still doing it? It's a very simple one. It's not difficult at all. The same formula is being used again and again, again and again. Your A will come out to be 4 and Sn will come out to be 2, 4, 6. How many have got this answer? Kindly tell me. 4 people have already answered this. Very good. Very good, everyone. Now, people who have done this will move on to the fourth one and tell me the answers. Over here, A3 has been given, S10 has been given. Now you'll have to calculate the value for A and D. This is a very important kind of a numerical because you might often get this type of numericals in word problems also. Okay? Word problems also you will get this numerical in which you have to make two equations. You will get one equation from here, other equation from here. Over here the n value will be 3 and an value is 15. Over here n's value is 10, sn's value is 125. Go on to formulate two equations and write the two equations in the chat box fast. Did everybody understand what to do out here? I am showing you the first equation over here. A3 can be written as a plus 2d, right? A3's value is 15. A plus 2d. This is our first equation. Now similarly write S10's equation fast and tell me the answer. Tell me the equations in the chat box and then tell me the value for A and D. Now when people have got two equations, first equation is already written, so the second equation, excuse me, will be 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. So you go on to use substitution, elimination, let's say. Solve it using elimination or any other method which you feel like more comfortable. If you're using elimination, you multiply it by 2 and then subtract both the equation. You will get the value for A and D. Now hurry up, tell me the value for A and D. I need a value for A and D. Very good. A, D has come out to be 1 for students. Very good. It's minus 1D. And then value for A will come out to be 17. And then at last you have to calculate the value for A10. Simply substitute and you will get the answer as 8. Value for A10. Did everybody get this answer? Yes or no? Confirm. Very good, Shomojit, Bojushoto. People who could not get the answer, here's the solution. Kindly verify from your solution that if is it correct or not. If it's not correct, kindly copy this down, and if you have any problem in any of these steps, ask me now. Now, should we move on to the next one? Yes, no? Yes, no, fast. Okay. D has been given to us as 5, S9 has been given to us as 75, and I think you have to calculate over here. This is fifth one, right? So fifth one you'll have to calculate the value for A9 and A. I think it's simple, right? A9 and A you'll have to calculate. So first of all, obviously we'll calculate the value for A, for which n is equals to 9, S9 is equals to 75, D is equals to 5. Can we calculate the value for A? Clearly, just use the formula S9 is equals to 9 by 2, 2A plus 9 minus 1 into D. Okay, substitute S9 over here, substitute 9, I have already substituted. A is, leave it out there like this. First we'll have to mention that let A be the first term of this AP. Clear? Uske baad you have to use this formula. Clear? Tell me the value for A and go on to calculate the value for A9. Let's see how many have got the value for A. Shomojit has got the value for A as minus 35 by 3. Rest of you also confirm. I'll give you exactly 1 minute to answer. I need the value for A9 also. I'm pausing the video. A's value is correct. Now I hope people have got the answer for A9 as 85 by 3. How many have got this answer? Two people have already answered. Very good. It's 85 by 3 and the first term is given as 35 by 3. Very good everyone. Now moving on to the next one. I'm moving on, clear? I hope people have copied down this. So in the sixth one, A has been given, D has been given, and you have to calculate the value for N. Can we calculate? This is more easier than the previous two. Just substitute the formula for Sn. Sn formula 90 is equals to, first you'll write, we know, given obviously needs to be written in every question, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 90. Leave n like this, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 as it is, and then d's value is 8. Tell me the value for n now. Hurry up. Did everybody understand what to do? And make sure people are not sleeping in the class because you have to be really attentive. Now, how many people have answered? Let's see. The sixth one, value for n will come out to be two values, okay? One is 5 and the other one is minus 9 by 2, and obviously you know that it's not a positive integer, not equals to minus 9 by 5 as it's not a positive integer. Therefore we'll take value for n as only 5, and then we have to go on to calculate the value for a5. How many students were successful in getting the answer for n as 5? Tell me. If none, then you'll have to copy it down. I'm pausing the video. I hope people have copied down this much. Very good, Anantajit, Bodhishotosh, Samojit and all. Did you get the answer? Rideep, Anantajit, Debashish, Shubham Ghosh, Pratay Poddar. Hurry up, I need the answer from you all also. I need to make sure that you have understood this thing properly. Your A5 will come out to be 34. Now, should we move on to the next one? Yes or no? Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now the seventh question, sorry. Seventh question, A has been given, En has been given, Sn has been given. So obviously over here missing term is 8. You'll have to calculate the value for D over here, right? Tell me the value for D first. And then Sn has also been given. So you'll use the formula for Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus L. This formula you'll use to calculate the value for n. Tell me the value for n now fast. It's a simple one. Very good, Anantajit. Rest of you, it's a one-step calculation. Hurry up. N will come out to be 6, and then you'll have to go on to calculate the value for D. I need the value for D also. Did everybody understand the first part properly? Yes or no? Confirm. Okay, Shambhujit has also answered. 10.8, what is that? Okay, D is 10.8. Chalo, we'll wait for rest of them to answer. Debashish, done? I'm pausing the video, get the answer for me. Now, people who are done with this will move on to the 8th question. I'm pausing the video for students to copy down this 7th numerical and let me know if you have any doubts. Now, after having done this numerical, students have already answered. Very good, Bodhishotta. D has come out to be 10.8. Now, moving on to the 8th one, you have An has been given. Okay? Common difference D and sum has been given. What do you have to calculate out here? First, you have to calculate the value for n. Can we calculate the value for n? We'll be getting two equations. First equation, of course, with this one, we'll get the first equation, and the second equation will get the help of the sums formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus L. Did everybody understand? You have two different equations. and over here if you substitute the value for n over here in the equation 2, you'll get the value, you'll get a quadratic equation. Now tell me the value for n. You'll get two different values for n. I need two different values for n. Fast. There will be two different values for n. I want you to solve it. Now people have already answered. Now of course, which one will you ignore? The negative one, right? The negative one will be ignored, as we know that it cannot be fraction or negative. It can be only positive integer, right? So we'll get n is equals to 7, and then we have to go on to calculate the value for a also. Is it minus 8? Has everyone got minus 8? Just substitute n in equation 1. You'll get the answer for a as minus 8. Now did everybody understand this properly? Yes or no? Confirm. Confirm, yes or no? Very good. Can you move on to the next one? Ninth. Where the first term has been given, the number of terms 8 has been given, and the sum of n terms has been given. Okay. Sum of n terms is 192. So I think a missing quantity over here is d, right? Can we use a formula for Sn to calculate the value for d? Yes or no? N's value is already given as 8, a value is given, s value is given, s of n terms, and n is 8, therefore this is s8. Clear? Yes or no? Tell me the value for d now. Let's see how many can get. Very good, Anantajit. Debashish, Shubham Ghosh. I hope people can see the screen properly. Yes, no. Once you get the value for d as 6, let me know. It's a very simple one. Clear? Did everybody get the value for 6? Very good, Trideep. Devashish, I hope you are doing it. Now, can we move on to the next one? Yes or no? Confirm. Confirm, yes or no? Okay, then we'll move on to the next numerical, which is the 10th one. The last term and the s has been given. There are total of 9 terms. So n is equals to 9. Can we calculate the value for a over here? Because we know s is equals to n by 2 a plus l. Yes or no? L given, n given, 9 terms. Sn given 144. Can we calculate the value for a over here? Kindly confirm. It's only the matter of formulas that you know. There are hardly 4 formulas in the entire chapter, and in this exercise I've only given you 2 formulas. Only those 2 formulas has been grinded in this exercise. Tell me the value for a. Is it coming 4? People have written 6. Why? No, it's 4. Very good. D's value was 6. Did everybody understand this properly? Yes or no? Confirm. Your a has come out to be 4. Did everybody understand question number 10 properly? Please copy today's assignment 4th, 5th and 6th numerical. I'll conclude today's class. Just a moment.